Step 1. Choose your preferred template. Click on the right side to choose a template video, or select one from the recommended options below the dialog box. Of course, you can also upload your own local file. Once the upload is complete, the facial information in the template will be automatically detected. Step 2. Upload the target face image. Click the plus icon next to the face image. Upload a local image to the assets first. And after the upload is complete, click Views again. Step 3. Click the Generate button. After a short wait, you can view the result in the generation history on the right. Click the video to preview and download it.